Yan. Okay, so game na.
Init.
So, welcome everybody. This is our podcast for our 21st Century Literature Project. For today, we, for today
Totoo,
we are
ito.
going. Okay, okay. So, kailangan dito ay English. Okay.
Uy, hindi ako marunong mag-English.
Okay lang kahit ano sira-sira yung pag-i-English nyo. At least yun yung requirements ni ma'am.
Pwede
Tayo
mag-translate.
naman pinili, tayo naman
Ito
pinili
ba?
ni ma'am eh.
Discardable.
Pwede mag-translate.
Hindi yan. Hindi naman nakikita naman.
Lang, kahit sira lang yung English. Okay, so let's start. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so for today, guys, welcome everybody. This is our group project, our 21st Century Literature project.
Ano?
So for today, we are going to be talking about Greek literature and the Greek gods. Okay. So let us introduce our members. This is MJ Sardopia.
Hello, guys.
Okay, MJ Sardopia. This is Cyrus Citeus.
Nice one.
Okay, loud and clear. So this is Charles Tan.
Nice one, Tan.
Teka,
Selfie muna.
nag-selfie. Okay, this is Charles Tan. Tan, you will introduce yourself.
Hey, guys. It's me, Charleston.
Okay, that's Charles Tan. Next is Calosa. Si Mirasol Calosa.
I'm Mirasol Calosa. Hi, guys.
Okay. Next is DM Gas. Okay, this is DM Gas. So, what we're going to be talking about is the Greek literature or the Greek gods. For for disclaimer, we are going to be talking about sensitive stuffs about the Greek gods. This might be gory or no, there will be nudity in some pictures of the statues of the Greek gods. So I will ask all of you if that is okay. Is that okay with you that we will be talking about the Greek gods?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm
Mhm.
okay. I'm okay to talk
Okay.
about the Greek.
So our project is about the literatures in our 21st century. So the Greek mythology, it is usually spread by by mouth on the past, and then they resulted in writing them in books. It is so that they can preserve the stories. Okay? They were usually spread through the word of mouth, but in the later years, they started to document the stories on literature. So
Totoo.
for today, we are going to be talking about the characters inside those literature. So let us see if they are written properly. We will rank them based on how interesting they are. Um, so I will show you a video explaining each of the characters in our ranking. And for first first character we're going to be talking about is Cronus. So I will show you a video. Okay, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yeah.
Can you screen ko? Okay.
Cronus. The primordial deities are the first generation of gods and goddesses. One of these deities was called Gaia, which was Mother Earth, and another one was called Uranus, which was Father Sky. They gave birth to the second generation of gods, called the 12 Titans. The youngest of these Titans was Cronus, usually depicted with a sickle and considered the patron of the harvest. But Gaia and Uranus had even more children, the 300-handed Hecantocheires and the one-eyed Cyclopes. Uranus, however, hated them and hid them in Tartarus, a deep abyss that was used as a dungeon of torment and suffering for the wicked. This angered Gaia, their mother, who tried to make an alliance with her 12 children to castrate Uranus. She created a great stone sickle and gathered together all of the Titans, but nobody wanted to do it except for Cronus. Cronus ambushed his own father and castrated him. He then threw his testicles and the sickle into the ocean, which became Corfu, the Greek island, famous for having a sickle-like shape. After Uranus was dethroned, Cronus and his older sister Rhea took the throne of the world as king and queen. The period in which Cronus ruled was called the Golden Age, as the people of the time had no need for laws, rules, or work. Gaia and Uranus, however, had prophesied that Cronus was going to be overthrown by one of his sons, just like he did with Uranus. This gave him paranoia, and although he created them with Rhea, he devoured all 5 of his children as soon as they were born, but one survived. Rhea secretly gave birth to a 6th child, called Zeus, and she wanted to get revenge for Cronus's acts against his father and children. Rhea gave Cronus a stone wrapped in swaddling clothes, which he promptly swallowed, thinking that it was his son. Zeus.
Okay. So as you can see from the video, they talk about Cronus. So, in Greek mythology, a long, long time ago, they were primordial deities, or they were the first beings that have ever walked the earth. So these were the first generation of gods. First was Gaia, or Mother Earth. Next is Uranus, or Father Sky. They gave birth to the second generation of gods, which is the 12 Titans. The youngest of these Titans was Cronus. This is our character, Cronus. So Cronus was known as the patron of harvest, and he is normally depicted as to have a sickle. So a sickle is a farming tool, which is it's like this is stick, but with a long metal sharp thingy like this. So are you familiar with sickles?
Yeah, it is called fight.
So yeah, so Cronus was normally depicted to have a sickle. So Gaia created a large stone sickle. So it is a gigantic stone sickle to castrate his father Uranus. So do you know the process of castration? Do you guys know the process of castration?
I don't know. I don't know, bro. But
Okay, so I will explain the
that's the
process
first
of
time.
castration. For example, is through our pets. I say DM last. So what do you have to say, DM last? Sorry, bro, but we cannot hear your audio. So I will explain it na lang eh. The process of neutering or castration is the process of when male pets, for example, male pets have balls. And they will remove these balls. Okay, so this is your pet, and these are their balls. So they will remove the balls from your pets. Okay, and they will become infertile, or yeah. So you know the process now. Cronus was attempting to take his father's balls, and for the reason that his father, abandoned his siblings to Tartarus or for this is a equivalent to hell in Greek mythology. So he abandoned their siblings there. So Cronus wanted to take revenge on his father for what he did to his siblings. So Cronus married his older sister Rhea, and become the king and queen of the Golden Age. So the Golden Age is the time in Greek mythology where there were no laws, there were no work, and there were no rules. So that is why they call it the Golden Age. So Cronus's parents prophesied, or Gaia and Uranus prophesied, that Cronus will be overtaken by one of his sons. So when Cronus and his sister, or his wife now, Rhea, had children, they had five sons, or five children. Uh, so Cronus ate those five children. From the fear of being overtaken, he ate his children. Oh, he ate them. He ate all five of them. He ate five of them. Okay. And they left, or they only one remained, which is Zeus. He is the sixth child of Cronus and Rhea. Okay, so Rhea secretly gave birth to Zeus. He or she uh, wrapped a stone in a fabric or swaddling clothes. He wrapped a stone right there, and she fed him to his husband, which is Cronus. So Cronus ate the stone, and uh, and so Zeus was born, or Zeus was getting older. So in the Zeus, we'll talk about it later. First, let's rank Cronus muna in our tier list. So, can you see my screen?
Yes. Yeah.
So this is called a tier list. We will
Wala akong alam sa mga picture na yan ah.
okay. This is called a tier list. Or S is the highest ranking, but we will remove letter C for convenience. Okay. So S is the highest ranking, while F is the lowest ranking. So on what you've heard about the character Cronus, what would you rank them in our tier list? Or how high would you rank them based on their character? Oh, go.
B.
Okay, Tan says B. How about you, Chardobia? Okay, how about you,
Why
Nas?
is
Okay, Chardobia.
who is he?
Chardobia.
Who is Cronus? Who is Cronus, bro? That I don't understand him.
I've spent the last 10 minutes explaining Cronus, bro. So he's the one who ate their children, and he's the son of Gaia and Uranus.
Okay. He is average from this Cronus is B.
B, okay. So two of us have selected B. What about the others?
For me is letter A.
Okay, Kalosa says A. Next.
Era Cronus and because
We can we cannot hear your audio, bro.
Era Cronus and
Okay, letter F. This is F. So are there any objections? How about you, Teus? How would you rank Cronus?
F, bro. F.
Okay, F. So, ah, uh, For you guys, which is fair? Should we put Cronus in B or F?
B.
B.
B. Okay.
Because he see us
Because they ate the
but
children is
he's good.
abandoned.
Okay. The majority says B, so we will put Cronus at B. Next is the Sky and Thunder God, also known as the King of Gods, which is Zeus. So turn off your microphones muna so that we can hear the video. Turn off your microphones. Okay, that's good, that's good.
Zeus, the sky and thunder god, also known as the king of gods, was secretly raised. When he grew up, he used an emetic given to him by Gaia to force Cronus to disgorge the contents of his stomach in reverse order. First, the stone, and then his two brothers and three sisters, which were Poseidon, Hades, Hera, Hestia, and Demeter. After freeing his siblings, Zeus released the 100-handed Hecatoncheires and the Cyclopes, who forged for him his thunderbolts, Poseidon's trident, and Hades' helm of darkness. A vast war, called the Titanomachy, broke out between Zeus with his siblings and the Hecatoncheires and the Cyclopes against Cronus and the other 12 Titans. Zeus and his siblings fought from Mount Olympus, and the Titans fought from Mount Othrys. For this reason, Zeus and his siblings were called the Olympians. The Olympians won, and many of the Titans were confined to Tartarus. He married Hera, his sister, by whom he is usually said to have fathered Ares and Hephaestus. Zeus, however, was infamous for his many affairs with other goddesses, from which Athena, Hermes, Dionysus, Apollo, and Artemis were born.
Okay, so we have seen. Did you understand the video? Yeah, do you guys understand
Yeah.
the video?
Yeah.
Okay, so Zeus.
Maybe.
Zeus was the savior of. He saved his species of. But in his bad traits, that he usually goes out with other women. So based on what you saw, how would you rank Zeus in our tier list?
SCM, he's overrated, man. He's all about
F.
our power. Man.
Our ranking to because of powerful.
SCM, he's a powerful man. Overrated.
Okay,
Underrated
MG's your
pala.
vote.
Sorry.
Okay, so turn off your mic, bro. One at a time. Okay, so Steus, what would you say about Zeus?
Zeus are strong.
Okay. Based on the video or his story, how would you rank him in our tier list? Is he a good character or a bad character?
As character, bro.
Okay. Highest, or is it highest? Okay, Carlos. Sir,
What?
okay, so si Kalosa, how would you rank Zeus in our tier list?
What?
How would you rank Zeus in our tier list, or based on his character, how how high of a grade would you give them? Is the highest
Oh, he's strong.
okay, strong, that's good, that's good.
Strong and he's nice.
Okay, nice. So how would you rank him based on those how would you how would you rank Zeus? Where in this tier list? S or S is the highest, B is the lowest. How would you rank him? Where would you put him? Sardobia says F and Teus says S. How about you?
Hey,
No, go with him. I said F back because he's the greatest man.
Hey,
For me, A.
yes. Okay, Kalos. Last. Up your microphone. Turn up your eyes. Go last. A? Did I hear that correctly?
I rate this.
A? Can you repeat that? What letter?
Mm-mm.
Okay, S. So two of you have rated S. So what about Tan? How would you rate Zeus?
A.
Okay, Tan says A. We have two votes on S and A. How about I don't know, Teus?
A, bro. A.
Okay, so three of you have voted A. Based on the majority, we will put Zeus at A. So next character.
Hera is the goddess of marriage, women, and family. Being the wife and sister of Zeus, she's the queen of gods. She was one of the most jealous and vengeful gods, punishing women who laid with her husband and the children that came from it as well. When she discovered that Leto, one of Zeus's girls, was pregnant with Apollo and Artemis, she tried to stop the birth of both of them. She convinced the nature spirits to prevent them from being born, but Poseidon, brother of both Hera and Zeus, gave pity to Leto and guided her to the floating island of Delos, where she could give birth. She showed her anger towards Hercules, too, another illegitimate child of Zeus. She sent serpents to kill him, but the newborn crushed them with his bare hands. She later drove him to madness, making him kill his wife and children, the event that then sent him on his 12 labors.
Okay, so next is Hera. How would you rank her in our tier list? She is a
Uh, Broken.
bro. We cannot hear your mic, bro. I suggest removing your headphones so that we can hear you clearly. So first is MJ Sardobia. How would you rate Hera, the jealous wife of Zeus?
No. Give me explain. Uh, meaning. I'm not understanding, but why is there?
We cannot. Bro, we did not understand. What did you say, bro?
I don't understand. Who is Hera? Uh, how do you mean to rating this guy?
So Hera, based on the video that we have watched, Hera is a jealous wife of Zeus, and when Zeus, when Zeus, when Zeus, mated with other, Hera hated that. So that is the character of Hera.
Oh,
How high would you rate him?
okay. He's so bad, man. He's so beating Zeus. You know, I
Yes,
I
Zeus.
wait for this Hera is B. Uh, yeah, I rated for B.
So Douglas says P. Are there any other opinions on Hera? Okay, so Deus, what's your opinion?
Hera, god of wrath.
We cannot hear you. We cannot understand what you said. So okay, so Palosa, what is your opinion about Hera?
Wait lang, wait lang.
Okay, so Deus, with that you said, how would you rate your opinion about Hera?
I will rate her B.
Maybe. So let's vote now. Two of you already said B. Are there any objections, or how would you rate B? Okay with you guys? B, okay. Okay, so let's put Hera to B. Next character is Poseidon.
Ako pag di ako nakapagsalita.
Ako din.
What can you say about Hera?
About Era, for me, what I understood from Era was a woman who was a womanizer, bitch.
Uh,
No, ano,
no.
she hated or ano, humanize.
She hated by Zeus.
Because they snakes. Because they snakes.
Okay, okay, okay. He sent three snakes to Hercules when she was a baby, which is a bad thing. Okay. So, do you agree with me putting Hera?
So she is good.
No, just average. Okay. So, given that he said B, we should
Um, let me
proceed.
rate let me rate Hera to
For me,
letter
B.
B. B.
Okay, so we have
Her
four
actions
votes
are
on
often
B.
driven by jealous, anger, and desires for revenge. So I rate Hera for letter B.
Okay, very good, guys. Majority of
And
us
she was
voted B.
jealous of Zeus. But many see still a good heart of Hera.
Okay, okay. So,
Ikaw.
bro, I suggest removing your headphones so that we can hear you clearly. Uh, okay. We do not understand the thing you said. We heard static. Okay, so if that's okay with you, bro, let's
Bad,
proceed
bad,
with
bad.
Poseidon for us to save time. So, when you guys see the video,
Poseidon is the god of the sea and presides over storms, earthquakes, and horses. He was a horrifying and avenging god, and he was honored even when he wasn't the patron deity of the city. When Zeus's son Minos asked for Poseidon's help in order to certify his claim on the throne of Crete, he offered Minos a splendid white bull with the understanding that he was to sacrifice the bull to Poseidon later. The Cretans were so impressed with the bull and the divine sign itself that Minos was declared king of Crete. But wishing to keep the beautiful animal for himself, Minos instead sacrificed an ordinary bull to Poseidon instead of the agreed upon one. Poseidon, enraged, caused Minos' wife to fall in love with the bull. Their coupling produced the Minotaur, a half-bull, half-human creature who fed on human flesh. Athena
uh, that well, so that is how minotaurs were made. They had a woman and a bull have yes. So uh ano for Poseidon I see him as a helpful uncle. He usually helps out other people even in their times of need. I personally would rate Poseidon at S for him being a helpful god. So what about you guys? How would you rate Poseidon?
I'm S because he fighting for the bulls and to be king of Crete. I do you mean what's the
Yeah,
understanding
the
of the
king.
Crete? You know, and he has why is half bull and half man, half human.
The yeah, Minotaur or Minotaurs are made because a woman and a bull had intercourse and they made Minotaur. So what about you, Teus? You were raising.
Okay, thank you.
Zeus is responsible for earthquakes, river floods, and others. And he was the strong man in the world. So I rank him in S tier.
Today we have 3 votes on S. What about the others? What would you say? What can you say about Poseidon?
I will also bolt him on S.
Why, why,
Eh?
why, why, why Tan? Why rock you? Why you rock S Tan?
I'm
One tag one.
Okay. Uh,
Tan.
what? Done.
Oh,
We're
Dad,
bro.
why?
Why bro? Why? What bro?
because si ano, ulit niya, si
Uh,
wait lang.
Why you so funny? Do you script on
bro,
your
you're so
phone?
slow. Bro, you're so slow.
Okay, so last, is everybody present on the screen record or is it only shown in the screen recording or the screen share? How is the screen record?
Wait, ano ba sasabihin mo? Uy, ano ba
Okay,
sasabihin?
so Poseidon, are there any objections in putting him in S? Should we just put Poseidon in S?
Bro, where's Kratos?
Okay, so last go last.
For me is Piatos.
Okay, Piatos, how about
Hey, hey, you're really smart, no? You know why? Why?
Tugigara was so smart, bro.
so let's proceed. S, okay? Poseidon in S, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah. This Poseidon. Yes. Speak last. What about reaction of the Poseidon?
For me is
Okay, okay, okay. Give you time, man. Give you time.
F because I I love you.
Come on, come on, come on. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try again.
Bro, that's true.
Let's try. Let's try again. Come on. Come on.
Try,
Come on,
try
Kalotsa.
again.
God.
How about you, Lance? How about you, Lance?
Bro,
Oo.
What
Ayan.
your ranking of the Poseidon? Is it Ace or F?
Um, I rank C that I'm killing S. Because the reason is powerful. He's so powerful. I can do to
Sige, gamitin ko na charge.
Okay,
Oh,
go next.
you are my script on cellphone now, huh?
Okay, so next is Athena.
So how about this time? Is 2 hours to yeah. What's the exactly form? The I don't know.
Athena. Athena is the goddess of wisdom, warfare, and handicraft. She was born from Zeus's forehead without a mother. Zeus's wife was so angry at him for having given birth to a child on his own that she conceived and bore Hephaestus by herself. Athena went into a competition for the patronage of the city against Poseidon. They each had to give the Athenians one gift, and Cecrops, the king of Athens, would determine which gift was better. Poseidon struck the ground with his trident, and a saltwater spring sprang up. This gave the Athenians access to trade and water. Athena offered the first domesticated olive tree, which brought wood, oil, and food. Athena won and became Athens' patron deity. Afterwards, Poseidon was so angry over his defeat that he sent one of his sons, Halirrhothius, to cut down the tree. But as he swung his axe, he missed his aim, and it fell on himself, killing him. Athena also transformed Medusa into a hideous monster with serpents for hair whose gaze would turn any mortal to stone after she discovered that Poseidon raped Medusa in Athena's temple, desecrating it.
Uh, So, we saw Poseidon's true colors. So, Athena, she was born on Zeus's forehead. Zeus's forehead, she was born there. There were no mothers needed. You could just pop out a baby on your forehead. So, Poseidon isn't really a good character at all. He was helpful, but in the end, he became spiteful. Okay. So what about Athena? What can you say about Athena?
For me,
And
she is stronger and smart.
I will uh, I will rank him at S because he gave resources to her people.
Okay, F ba F?
S
Okay, S. Okay. So Tan said S. Kalosa said what?
because he is a good god and she gave resources to her people.
Okay, very good. Very good, very good. How about the others?
I give it to S then. She was help people to I mean hilot, turun.
Okay, wala na. Okay, S. S yun. So, should we put Poseidon down or should we keep Poseidon at S?
My ranking for Poseidon is for B. F. He was bad guy. He has a rape of Medusa. Oh no, shit, man. I will back. I will turn back to the Poseidon. This Poseidon now is B because
Okay, B.
man is a bad. She a rape of
Eh,
Medusa.
Okay, how about now?
Give me answer
Huh?
of the use. Yes, answer of that. Nice.
No, walang ganun.
Edu, I will rank Medusa. I will rank Athena in S level. So he's god of god of wisdom and they're known as
Association with the owl and the olive tree. So
Okay, very good. So,
nabubulol.
we should put Athena at S and put Poseidon at B.
It's It's a good man. My cell phone is full storage.
Okay, so
I'm
okay,
screen recording. Not yo.
okay, so last one for our last character. We will make a part two.
Kratos.
Okay, we will make a part two tomorrow. If you guys want to. I would also put Athena at S because she saved me countless times from Eudora. I really hate that character. He just one shots me every time. So I will put Athena at S. So next is the final character for our tier list.
Kratos.
You dumb. You dumb. Shut up.
Hephaestus. Hephaestus is the god of artisans, blacksmiths, carpenters, fire, sculpture, and volcanoes. He was cast off Mount Olympus by his mother Hera because of his lameness, and he landed on the ocean. He made all the weapons of the gods in Olympus and of many heroes like Achilles and Hercules. Hephaestus also created Pandora and her famous box, which she opened, causing curses to be released upon mankind. He was one of the Olympians to have returned to Olympus after being exiled. He gained revenge against Hera for rejecting him by making her a magical golden throne, which when she sat on it did not allow her to stand up again. The other gods begged Hephaestus to return to Olympus to let her go, but he refused, saying, "I have no mother." He demanded to be married to Aphrodite, the goddess of love and passion, in order to release Hera, and his mother fulfilled the request. Aphrodite
Okay, so what a very interesting character. This Hephaestus. For me, in my opinion, Hephaestus is a great character as a blacksmith. He forged many weapons from these Greek gods. Uh, for me, I will put this character at A. What about you guys? What are your opinions about
I'm going
Hephaestus?
to A. A. He has ano, man, he has a builder of swords to giving a sword to great gods, Hercules. I don't know. He's creating of the sword to fighting. Yeah.
For me, it's
Hey,
A. For me, it's A.
what about you, Las?
Mm,
We can't hear you, bro.
yung okay,
You're
okay.
there, okay.
For me, versus round. Versus, he's good as a god of the heart, but I can always
Can you repeat that, bro? I suggest removing your Bluetooth so that you will use the microphone when you. Bro, kalma. Okay.
Give me the answer that correct answer. Last. You.
Um, Let me rate Hephaestus to A or B, but I rate him B. B now. He's killed a clever god.
Okay. In my opinion, Hephaestus is a very cool god. The way he took revenge on his mother by creating a throne which she cannot stand on after sitting. He's very based. But I don't think putting your mother on a chair and not letting her stand up is a good thing. So what are your guys' opinions? What about you, Teus?
I will rank her. I will ranking in A tier because of he was wife of Aphrodite and he can create many sword and can fight for country.
Wait, very good. What about you, Kalosa? Wait, what about you, Tan?
I will put him in S because he's a hardworking god and he made weapons um on other gods.
So, but the majority says A and Tan says S. So how would you rank him? He's the final character. Let's go, guys.
S.
Is it fair to S? Should we put him at S or A? Bro, stop using sign language. Please speak to me. Please.
Hey. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I'm not. I know they are not people like gang, man. Shit.
You know.
I'm
Hey bro,
supposed to
hey.
you the probate as A for me. It was hardworking to sword, build a sword to giving a great of the general of fighting for all the people to defeat. Uh, you know,
Oh, wait, A, are there any objections? Should we put our final character Hephaestus at A? Shout yes. Sumigaw kayong yes, please.
Yes.
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 Tapos na tayo.
We
Yes.
are Rivera. We are the robot
Yes.
Rivera. We are the robot. May Mongoloid dun sa gilid.
We're
Okay na,
finally
okay na.
being yes. Tapos pag-hirap natin, bro. Yes! Pwede mo, patayin mo yan, patayin mo, cut off. Hey, pusit, tapos na. Okay, so, okay, that is
Game,
all
game,
for
game.
our,
Game, game.
ako na, ako na lang, sige, okay, that is all for our ranking on Greek mythology gods. Thank you all for listening. And if you survived, congratulations. Okay, so goodbye, guys. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye
Okay,
guys. Goodbye.
Bye.
what can you say? Alis na tayo, okay na.
Okay na,
Oh,
okay
okay.
na, okay na.
Bye.
Good na,
Thank
may
you,
pag
ah.